This is what happens when Sam and Louise go to Garwood. Oh God! Oh God! Here comes Soap. Oh wait.
That's wax.
Oh
my God.
Yeah.
That is wax.
The window won't roll up. It came down. Oh God.
Here it comes again.
I'm wet. Look at me.
Try roll it and see
Oh
if it'll roll
God,
up.
look at this.
Look at me. Try roll it
Oh,
up.
please stop. Please
Pull
be
it up.
done.
Pull it
up. Pull it up. I can't pull it up.
Try to turn the render up. No, the back is down. Her clothes are back down.
Oh God.
Here it comes.
What do I do? What?
Here it comes. All I know.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh, it's going to
That's
wax.
wax. I smell it on it.
Oh, Lord.
Oh God. No, that's first. Woo.
Fixing to come and spit us some wax at you.
What's
Put
that
this
going to do?
Oh, God, Sheila.
Oh, it's drying.
Oh. Maybe it'll dry us.
What's this thing?
Sheila getting drowned at the car wash.
We need a daggone towel.
What's that thing going to do now?
It's going to dry me. I need on. My seat is soaking wet. I am wet in water.
I know it. I saw it coming in.
Oh, goodness, so.
My face got it. God, God. Oh, my God. Sheila. That scared me.
It's dry me.
It's got your hair now a little bit on top. I can't believe you wrote that. We might have to go on like that now because it's soaked it, shorted it out. Lord, I hope we don't.
My other clothes ain't wet.
The bout was, you rolled it down, water was just a piss in it. It was wet in the clothes. I said, no, not our clothes, look at your coat.
Okay, we gotta get this window up.
It ain't gonna until it wants to.
Oh, well, I guess we're going to Willis. Look at this. The dirt off your car coming on there.
No,
Yeah.
that is hot wax.
A wax or something. Look at me. Look, I am. Oh, my
It
God.
was soapy wax. Spitting us. Look at this. The inside got wax.
God, Willa.
Oh my God, look at this.